Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to pan between people's faces in VideoStar. Alright, so to begin with, you're already going to want to have your photo or video imported, and what you're going to do is press on New, press Multi-Layer, press 1, and then import your photo or video. Now press Edit Keyframes, and then go to the very end of your clip and place down a path keyframe. Now go back to the very beginning of your clip and zoom into the face you want the little effects to start at. Okay, so now once you have it, go along the timeline a little bit and then drag your clip to the second face you want to pan to. Now just repeat this process for however many people you're panning to. Okay, so once you have that, go to your second keyframe and then press on this path icon and choose this curve. You can also use the one above it. I ended up using that one. Now just repeat that for the rest of the keyframes. Okay, so for the end, go to about halfway in between the last two keyframes and make sure there's a size keyframe down there. Then go to the very last keyframe and drag the size back to 100. And then press on this straight line and then press on this curve. Now press back, press on mirror, and then select any one of these options. Now press color and select tracking blur. If you don't know where it is, you can always search it up using this tool over here. So like I said, I ended up going back and changing the curves, but once you have that, just press create and then press done. Now that's it guys, but if you want to make it smoother, press new, transform, and then make sure you're on VS Motion Blur and then press create. And that's it guys, hope you all found this tutorial helpful. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see y'all next week. Bye!